Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to edit text on TikTok videos. TikTok users may easily add text on their videos and customize it. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your TikTok account and click on the plus button on the main toolbar. Once the camera screen opens, record a video or upload it from your camera roll. After that, hit the text icon at the bottom of the screen and type in your text. Now it's time to customize your text. So choose the text font you like. Change its color. What is more, add a highlight to your text by tapping the A icon on the left-hand side of the screen. When your text is ready, press Done in the top right corner. In case you want to change your written text, simply click and hold Text. Choose the Edit option from the menu that appears on the screen and make changes. After that, resize your text and place it anywhere on the screen. What is more, you can add music, use various effects and filters, insert stickers. As soon as your video is ready, click on the Next button and post it on TikTok. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to edit text on TikTok videos. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.